been doing a lot of eating so far, but it would be nice to know how some of this food is made. So today I'm taking a cooking class with local bites, and I will be experiencing how to make izakaya. I'm supposed to meet my teacher, Sato-san, at the Shinjuku East station, like by the police office. I was told this is the East station. Oh, yep, East exit. Okay, just to find the police station. So Local Bites is a tour or an organization that allows locals and travelers to connect. Locals get to teach you how to cook in their own homes. So this is Sato-san. How long have you been living in the Shinjuku area?
More than 10 years.
But you're originally from where?
I'm from Hokkaido. It's very different from here. Yeah, I basically grew up in the nature, vegetable field and rice field and stuff.
Wow.
Daytime is like...
I've seen the nighttime.
Nighttime is like many lights.
Yes.
It's crazy. My apartment is very close to the Golden Gardens.
Okay.
Many Yakuza own the buildings.
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
But I thought the Yakuza only own like the Kabukicho area.
This is Kabukicho area. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Yakuza, many, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yakuza own the place.
Even the apartment buildings?
Apartment buildings, maybe not. Bars and love hotels, but I don't even know.
Oh wow.
It's more like night area. But it used to be only for members.
Yeah, that's why I kind of felt intimidated about
Right.
not a sightseeing
Yeah.
guest bar. Every bar seems to have like a different kind of theme or
Right.
like their own little magic inside.
Very exclusive place, and even for Japanese people.
Oh yeah?
But not cozy.
Oh, not cozy.
Not cozy. Like people have to make a business out of it. So I have to. Yeah, when I just get in, I have to drink a lot. Or I feel like a little pressure.
It's like, well, if you're not buying anything,
Yeah. Please wash your hands. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is a cute place.
Yeah.
It's like a little Shangri-La. There's a lot of izakaya, and I guess for me it was intimidating because I didn't know what to order, and then I know it's a lot of meat too, right?
Right. There are. That's why, you know, in this country, I think you better know some local people.
Here, like this, like Sato.
That's why, of course, when I go to different countries, like, you know, I don't know what to order sometimes. In the language, it's very difficult to read, right? And also
sometimes you have pictures, but in those izakayas they don't.
No,
like,
not
especially
really.
when you go to the
it's
the
more local
memory
food.
lane. Yeah,
Right.
That's why I found it really helpful about like taking tours, like, you know, cooking classes or even food tours, is because you are informed about the food choices, and it helps to open your confidence in trying foods on your own, I feel like.
Right.
Okay, so what do we have on the menu for today?
Yeah.
What are we learning?
This is your friend.
Oh, thank you.
For today. The gyoza salad with the wasabi sauce, seaweed rice, wakame, of course miso soup with my special miso. Now I'm boiling the water to make miso soup. 700 milliliter of water, but you don't use a metric system, I know, because you're American, so. And basically, we have to make a broth.
Okay.
You know this one.
Oh, the fish flakes. I forgot
Fish flakes, yeah, it's bonito.
Bonito, that's right. I didn't know you can make a broth out of bonito flakes.
Yeah, basically the ratio is like 1 liter. This had to be 30 grams. This is only 100, right? We can basically use it 3 times, right?
Okay. Oh, that's a lot we're gonna put in there.
That's kind of little professional use. So in a home cooking, 1 liter, 20, 15 should be very fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Filter slowly.
Wow.
This is called the golden soup in Japan, and you can put the salt in it, and you can already drink it, right? It's drinkable.
Yeah, that seems like it would be. It smells really good.
And this is for miso soup.
That's for the miso. Cut it on your hand.
Right. So like it's gonna break easily when you just cut on a cutting board. And this is the fried tofu.
Okay. This is more than I've ever seen in
Yeah,
a miso soup.
I like miso soup with lots of ingredients in it.
Mm-hmm.
The miso soup in a restaurant is very boring.
Uh-huh.
Like tofu.
Yeah, it's usually pretty standard tofu and seaweed.
Wakame, maybe a little bit of green onion, that's it, right?
Uh-huh.
But this is like lots of ingredients, yeah? I like it. After putting the miso in, never boil, yeah?
Oh, okay.
We don't want to lose the taste of the miso soup.
It's been aged for 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the little granules of...
Yeah. This is the rice, yeah.
Would you advise the whole thing or no?
The whole thing. It's not that salty, is it?
It's salty, but I like that kind of salty.
Yeah. It's like very tasty.
It is.
Yeah. Make sure you turn off the heat. Because like we've been waiting for this moment for 2 years, right?
Uh-huh.
We don't want to ruin it.
This is going to be the first miso soup I've had with a lot of ingredients
I think so.
in it. It's not the traditional one where you see a lot in restaurants.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
wow.
This is the
That
real...
really opened up.
This is like the more like, real miso soup, you know?
Yeah.
One simmer, one double and done.
Okay.
That's it.
Really quick.
Thank you.
That's funny. I like the way you said we're waiting 2 years for this.
To know the process of Japanese food is much more important to know the culture in a way.
No, I absolutely agree. Especially, I feel like with Japan, there's a specific kind of artistry that's involved in the food. And that's the wakame, yeah?
Yeah, wakame, yeah. Prepare cold water and put the rice in.
Yep, that's the milky part. I'm not sure how many people know this, but when you're preparing rice, you're gonna want to wash it first to get like that floury stuff off. What is that for?
I'm washing the dishes later.
Oh, okay.
This water. And leave it for 15 minutes. Japanese rice is very sensitive, huh? You know that, right?
No.
That's why water has to be very accurate like that.
As long as you stick with the rules.
It's very simple.
Then it's very simple.
Yeah. And this is salt.
Uh-huh.
Put the salt in wakame in it.
Oh, you're doing it with the rice too.
Yeah.
That's
After
why.
4 minutes, it's coming out from here. And then I just turn it down and cook for 10 minutes. Mix it, steam it for 10 minutes and done. It's very, very short. It's very simple.
Wow.
Need to do...
So you're making the wasabi salad.
Yeah, wasabi salad. Yeah.
Okay, so gyoza time. Got the chikwa, ginger, some cabbage, and more good stuff going in.
This is the garlic.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, garlic. Yeah, because like we don't have time to
make, to mince it.
Japanese people are very busy. I want you to just put the seasonings with using the...
Got it.
Maybe you have to take a little liquid out.
Okay, mix it.
Mix it slightly. Take one.
Uh-huh.
Put the filling in.
Yeah.
Like
that.
Liquid.
Like your glue.
Yeah, glue it.
Glue on.
Yeah. One side. That's the wave.
I'm not sure how you do the wave, but I'm gonna.
The one side. Like that.
Oh, I'm dripping. Mine is ugly. Looks like a little clamshell. Sorry, Sensei.
No worry. Huh?
Laying up my gyoza like that. Look at these
Very good.
These beautiful things. Oh, so you want to get like some kind of translucency. Oh, what is that? What are you doing there? Oh, no way.
It's beautiful, no?
So, we are done. Actually, I feel like I hardly did the work. But
You did.
I'm gonna do all the work eating, I'm sure. The sesame gives it flavor, right?
Yeah.
And the rice is a little salty. That's good, right?
Yeah.
It comes from the wakame.
Yeah, it comes from wakame. I had to put the little salt too. Yeah.
Delicious. I'll go with the gyoza. Dipped in the sauce. And we've got chili, soy sauce, sugar, vinegar. Sweet, sour, spicy. Perfect crunch. And now I'm tasting the shrimp.
You like it?
I love this. I love that that I also know that everything was freshly prepared. It really adds to the flavor. That's really smooth. I guess it's the mayonnaise that kind of like softens it out.
Did you feel wasabi too?
I did. That was a little suave wink action there. Another smooth one.
Japanese people eat miso soup after hangover. Yeah.
I can see why. It's kind of really calming.
Right. Warm you up too. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nothing that kind of like hits you in the wrong direction.
Not at all.
I kind of like this.
Fried tofu?
Yeah, because it kind of soaks up the miso.
Right. That's right.
The two flavors going together.
Yeah. My grandpa is happy now.
It was perfect.
In heaven.
It was perfect. It's not like any kind of miso I've tasted before.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing this.
Oh, thank you very much.
I tried to wink, but it turned into a blink. Sato-san and I were talking about like the flavors in different countries. You know, like Korea has like really strong spicy flavor, and sometimes the spice in itself is the flavor. You know, but Japan is distinctly different.
What I like about Japanese food is that you don't taste like one flavor. It has a harmony in a meal and in a certain food, and you can taste like a variety of taste in it.
I'm glad he said that, because that was kind of what I was starting to feel or wonder about. Like, it doesn't hit you immediately, the flavors. It takes a while for them to kind of like nestle in your mouth and then open up. But it's almost kind of like a nice balance of everything working together in harmony, I guess. Right?
Balance. Very important.
Take the cooking class. I'll leave the link down below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And also let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. Would you like to take a cooking class? Let me know. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun. I will see you in one of Sato-san's cooking classes. May the GRRR be with you. Happy eating.
Join me weekly for more Girl Traveler videos. It's through resourcefulness and viewers like you who keep my channel going. So if you love what I do and want to see me continue creating solo travel videos, why not support me on Patreon?